Welcome back to Green Thumb Boy. In this video you're going to see me learning how to use a chainsaw for the first time.
This is where you put the chain oil. Right. So every time you have to refuel, you fill up the chain oil. You've got to grip both and you grab the pull and you give it a yank. Now if it tries to start like that, that's when you push the choke in, okay, and then you give it another pull. Okay, and then you keep the trigger in and it'll run. So now it's your turn. You won't have to pull the choke out. Grab it with your left hand. So and keep the saw against your leg so it doesn't move too much, and pull that. Got to pull it. Pull it hard. Put it on one hand and put it over both hands. You might go first. I'll get you started. Allow the chain, feel the motion of the chain falling over, alright, like this. Pull it hard.
This one's like actually one of the lightest ones. From the looks of things, it looks like it's one of the heaviest ones, but when I picked it up, it wasn't that hard.